Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and today we have the technical session number 113, and our subject is acrylic paint in the civil engineering or acrylic marking on the pavement and whatsoever it is. We will discuss about that one. Before going on, I would like to request you to subscribe, like it, share it, and press the bell icon in order to reach the next video with easy access. And our channel reference is Material Engineer Officials. If you can click this one, and you will find all of 113 videos with different subjects in order to get the familiar. So let us go to the subject. So what is the acrylic flooring in the civil engineering? What is the parts of acrylic flooring in the civil engineering? This is the acrylic flooring consists of uh, methyl uh, methylcrylate monomers and the thermoplastic resins. This is the combination of the acrylic flooring made with the smooth and the set of floors such as a concrete, asphalt, ceramic, and or the tiles. Even this pavement, the acrylic floor is can be easily applied, and it has the elasticity, and it is the compressible 1 mm to the 5 mm to down. Once the moving is there, and it will compressing and give the relaxed atmosphere in order if somebody is working on it. So acrylic flooring offers the high quality of the products that are waterproof, resistance of external and internal uh, leakage proof. Acrylic flooring is used in the mainly in the uh, areas where the sports fields, hospitals, laboratories, walking way, and the where the softscape and the hardscapes are already formalized. So this is also a part of the. So we can also differentiate the acrylic and it describe the acrylic properties. It is easily applicable on the flooring as a basketball, volleyball, and the tennis courts and the acrylic floors, which are produced in different standards, colors, customs, and the designs. It is also durable, long-lasting, and the minimum maintenance cost as compared to the other uh, coatings, like the epoxy coatings. Acrylic standards also, this is the application in the BSEN also, British standard also, ISO standard also, ASTM also. In all the standard, it is uh, manufactured and the application and whatsoever the features are there, it's cover the general the application of the standard. This floor covering is the compatible and with the reasonable weathering condition, and it is also compared with the atmospheric competitions like the UV resistance, the pigments or the UV resistant, it is not shaded, and the covering is the generally used in the tennis court and as well as the multiple purpose of the sports as the basketball, volleyball, and the handball. So this is the covering of the classified and the number of the courts according to the specification and the contract requirements. So acrylic cushion system also is a structural system formed a mixing of rubber powder with 100% pure acrylic latex polymer. So there are the floors that are resist to improve the and the impact the players to perform the comfortably status. The floor covering is classified as number one, the International Tennis Federation (ITF) and as a coverage of the floor thickness, which is a minimum 3 mm. 3 plus. So acrylic cushion also plus the system is a professional flooring and consists of rubber acrylic mixture of with the 8 time increase the shock absorbed. It is also durable and the long lasting plus the floor system of the four seasons used. It is not require any maintenance or any external resistance or impacts by the weathering or the knocks and whatsoever it is. It is always allow the certain sports fields which are the 8 different color and also this player to demonstrate the professionally geometrically and the ITF classification as a standard as we describe also. So acrylic flooring also produce the features made acrylic cushion also color which is the all color. It is depend upon the designs resistance to climate condition, not the flammable also. It is the fire resistance also. Contain 5 to 12 layers also, and according to the ITF or the FIFA standard. So it is UV resistance also, and the useful in all as we discussed the four season also. It is easy to apply and it is non-slip to the floors and it is flexible improvements player uh, to avoid from the injuries or the improve the player performance and environmentally it is eco-friendly we can say. So it is suitable for the tennis court, indoor doors, multi-purpose sports fields, fitness, and the bicycle paths and whatsoever it is. It can also be used in the industrial application also, but this time we are discussing about the application for the sports area where the acrylic paint is fast drying structural consists of acrylic plasticizers, silicones, oils, stabilizer, and the metals soaps whatsoever it is. Although the water is it is a water based and it resists a water to increase after drying. Floor application can be facilitate the diluting this paint and with the alkalic gels mediums of the pastes. Alkali floor paint is a water-based, quick drying, and the low-order paints that give aesthetic and the durability for the floor when the covered on the floor by such bricks, concrete, asphalt, cement, woods, metal, or stone, whatsoever it is. Acrylic paints also it's and do not get the dusty quicks, do not also hold the dirt on the rust, and it is also highly resistable to the water, acid, and the weak alkalines. It is a product of a suitable domestic such as acrylic, garage, floor paints, chemicals, and the industrial use also, especially for the outdoor sports area. This is very important, and it is a part of the FIFA and the other sports uh, standards and the parameters. So acrylic polymers paints is specially colored blue paint and the concrete also paint known as the asphaltic paint and it is also it can be according to the what approved design the application is possible. After a paint applied on the acrylic beds, it's surrounded by the ensuring the pedestrian and the vehicles and the separated from the traffic and the by that way is the application can be marked by different colors and whatsoever scenarios is. The basketball courts acrylic epoxy paint on the concrete made from the special non-slip silica are used. This paint is available in all kinds of floors and is resist to impact or the chemicals, especially elastic, non-slip, and floor application, and also increase the performance in the players. So tennis courts place the 100% acrylic paint compatible with the four-season climate conditions. The paints are used uh, the surface on ground sports, which lies also the paints also used for the indoor and the outdoor of the courts. So I will show you uh, this is also sports field. This is also sports field. This one also a sport different colors. This is also a sport field. Volleyball, football, and tennis court also. This one, this one. This is the geometrical marking also. This is also tennis court and also different fields. This one, with the different colors also. This is bicycle tracks also. And here also we can say this is the elastomeric also. This is the marking in the fields also. So this material is elastomeric also as well as the compressible, and it is a easy accessible material for the walking and to avoid the slipping or downskid and whatsoever the property for this one. So this was the briefing about the acrylic application in the civil engineering and how we will make the beautification of the acrylic in the sports fields and how it differentiate and how it takes a major role in the beautification as well as the required standards and the required standard of the sports and whatsoever it is. So there are testing also for this application also according to the relevant standard and the parameter and the specification. After the application, there is also test standard according to the production testing and according to the durability and by the third party testing agency. So, and the testing and the commissioning for the particular projects. So this is the major discussion for the acrylic paints. And in next video, we will see each other with another subject. Thank you very much and have a nice day.